Hello and welcome to the Knight's Journey Breakout. You are training to become a knight in the Middle Ages. To prove yourself worthy, you must complete these tasks for your king. Each task demonstrates a different skill you need to be the best knight you can. Unlock your potential and the box to receive your reward. The locks you will need are the 3-digit lock set to 159, the 4-digit lock set to 3251, the word lock set to the word press, the key lock hidden under leaves, and the shape lock set to triangle, star, square, diamond, triangle. Resources included are the digital Google Maps, the Breakout EDU digital lock, and a link to the coat of arms maker in case you want to change that. Printouts you'll need are the Magna Carta. You'll need a pristine copy for them to use. There's also a key to make your cipher included. You will need to trace out around the letter and then cut out that spot in cardstock so that it reveals a specific letter when placed on top. There is the printout of the maps if you choose to do the printout version instead of the digital version, the rebus puzzle, and the coat of arms. On the USB drive, you'll need to include the digital EDU lock, and if you choose to do the digital Google Map link, you will need to add that as well. We're using the standard Breakout kit. Solving the puzzles. The very first puzzle they'll need to solve is the coat of arms. It gets them into the box that has all the things they'll need to solve the rest of the clues. So for that reason, we've made it relatively easy. You can see that there is a key and a lock on the coat of arms, as well as the Roman numerals 1, 5, and 9, and that is the code to the 3-digit lock. The rebus puzzle should be laid out either on the table or taped around the room. This rebus puzzle has the king, the feudal lord is what the metal and the world work out to be. The next one is the vassal, and the last one is the serf, and those are the hierarchy in the Middle Ages. If they figure that out and put them in the correct order, on the back they'll find the numbers 3, 2, 5, and 1, and those are the key to the 4-digit lock. The map lock. They will be given in written instructions. If you do the printout, it already has it on there. If you do the digital one, you'll need to print those out and give them to them so that they know which one is trip 1, as well as which directions to go to. An example is, you begin in London and are sent to recruit soldiers. You journey to Reading, and then you go to Oxford, and then return to London. And if you trace that out, you'll find the triangle in the first one. If you choose to do the digital one included, you will get a link to this map. And if you click on trip 1, you will see that the points pop up. Again, you will have to have the written part typed out separate. It does say that you start in London and journey to Reading, and then to Oxford, and then back to London. And if you use the line draw tool, you can trace that out. And you can see the shape you get is a triangle, and that is the first shape in the shape lock. The next one is the Magna Carta cipher. They will find the Magna Carta written on the table. The cipher they will find in the large box once they open it up, along with the flashlight. If they arrange the cipher correctly, they should see the clues spelled out. An example is the first one, and it's read from left to right, top to bottom, and it says the key. The remainder of it says can be found in the leaves. If that doesn't apply to you, you will need to adjust it accordingly. There are enough letters and words that you should be able to do just about anything. We found that this can be very difficult to find the cipher on the right spot. So we also have traced the very first one with the invisible ink and given them the UV flashlight, and that way they can line up the holes and it makes it a bit easier. The very last lock is the digital lock. They will get a link to this site, and it says a good knight helps protect people on his lands. Learning what to protect people from is what makes a good knight. Preventing this death unlocks your potential. That phrase, along with these images, should lead them to understanding that it's the Black Death. If they type that in and hit submit, they will get another clue, and you can see a man at a printing press, and it says Gutenberg invented this important device to spread knowledge. Words are important, and that should lead them to the word lock. And understanding that this is the printing press, they will type in press into the lock, and that will be the final lock. And I hope you enjoy this Breakout EDU. Thank you so much.